Hi folks, welcome back to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar, and it's another laser light installation. This time it's a Ford Ranger. We've gone for two lights. We've gone for the Linear 18 Elite, which we've snuck in underneath the front number plate. It's a very powerful light, as you can see. 18 LEDs, comes with a 5-year warranty, it's British made. Obviously we've constructed some really funky brackets in there. It's not just lashed in here with cable ties or anything like that. Quite a job to get that in there, quite a bit of the bumper has to come apart, but once it's done, it's fabulous, as you can see. We've also installed up top the Linear 36. And if I just get in front of it, it's hard to give you an idea of just how bright that light is. It's yeah, very bright. So specific brackets up here to get onto the roll bars, stainless steel fixing underneath. All neat and tidy, cable entries on the other side, and what we've done is to make it serviceable, we've actually machined out underneath this cap, and the connector for the light is hidden underneath there. So if you ever need to change a light, you just pop the cap off and you can get to the connector and change the light without having to drop all the headlining down and stuff like that. It's very unlikely that you'd need to get to it because, as I said before, it's British made product. Laser lamps, probably some of the best lights on the planet. They are absolutely superb. So there you go. If you've got a Ranger and you'd like some extra light, or a Raptor of course, these are the ones to go for. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Oh look, I see another example over here. It's a Linear 48 on Muddy. Defender, which incidentally is going to be up for sale soon. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Enjoy.